Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to reduce Claude Code token usage and cut API costs. First, understand that tokens are basically the amount of text you send and receive. The more tokens you use, the higher your costs, so efficiency is key. Start by keeping your prompts short and clear. Avoid unnecessary details and only include what's important for the task. Next, limit the context you send. Instead of passing entire files or long chat histories, include only the relevant code or sections needed. Another powerful tip is to use summaries. If you're working on a long conversation or large code base, summarize previous steps and reuse that instead of resending everything. You should also control the output length. Ask Claude for concise answers like, give a short solution or return only the code. This reduces response tokens significantly. If you're making multiple requests, try batching tasks together instead of sending many small requests. This can reduce repeated context usage. Another strategy is caching or reusing responses. If a result doesn't change, don't regenerate it, store and reuse it. Also, choose the right model size. Smaller or more efficient models cost less and are often enough for simple tasks. Finally, always monitor your usage through your API dashboard. This helps you identify where tokens are being overused and optimize accordingly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.